this little bird right here, they always lay their eggs in a rocky base, and then when predators come by, they act like they're hurt, and they'll have a bad wing, and they'll chirp and make noise and get the predator to follow them instead of looking for the eggs or seeing the eggs. So watch what she does. I'm gonna go back over to her eggs and look what she does. She doesn't like that. Don't want to stand on them. I see them right there. She's gonna come up and kind of intimidate me now. She's very angry. And here are her little eggs right there. So we're gonna leave her alone. Bye-bye. We're not gonna bother you anymore.